Hi, this is Lily in IT channel, and today we're going to discuss the top 5 books for the aspiring product managers. Book number 1, Inspired by Marty Kagan. This book is awesome and it was first published in 2008. It was a long time ago, and it was focused mostly on the big corporations and product management techniques in these kind of companies like Microsoft and Google. But in the later version, there were a lot of additions, including the product management in startups. So I highly recommend this book to be in your library if you would like to shift to product management. Book number 2, Hooked: How to Build Habit-Forming Products. And this is a super important book for product managers because of 2 reasons. Reason number 1, as a product manager, you need to create products and that customers love and they return to, and probably that built into their habits. And reason number 2, that we as product managers need to create products ethically, and knowing how to build the habit will help you to make a decision whether you're building a healthy habit for your customers or this is the wrong way and you don't want to go that path. Book number 3, Cracking PM Interview. This is an awesome book for the aspiring product managers as well as experienced ones, because being a product manager, this is one thing, and be able to walk through the interview process and demonstrate all your skills, this is another separate skill that you need to train. That's why I highly recommend this book. It has a lot of interview questions and frameworks how to answer these questions, how to demonstrate your skills and your ability to think about problems from the product management perspective. That's why I highly recommend this book. But don't forget that this book is actually one part of the preparation process. Another part is actually practice. So don't forget about the mock interviews, about practicing answering the questions, because you can know everything, you can have all the perfect answers, but at the moment you probably be stressed, you probably be, confused and things like that under pressure. And that's why this is the most popular reason why you don't provide the best at your interviews. So I highly recommend to read this book and then to practice answering the questions. Book number 4, Creativity. And this is an awesome book that describes how to manage and how to lead creative teams. And creative teams, they do not fit in that, strict frames or frameworks. You need to understand your development team. You need to inspire them to be creative, to solve the new problems in a creative way. And how to do that, you will know from this book. So highly recommended. And you may have a feeling that this is for, like film producing and things like that, but that's not true. This book can be applied to the development teams as well. And if you don't have a technical background, I highly recommend this book to get that guideline how to manage, how to lead the development teams. And the final, book number 5, The Lean Product Playbook. And this is an awesome book on how to create products people love. And it doesn't matter whether you're part of the startup or you work for a large corporation. It has a pretty practical steps that you can implement and test your idea to create actually the product people will love. So I highly recommend this book because it is like super practical, no fuzzy words inside to make it bigger. So yeah, highly recommended. So these were the top 5 books for product managers, both experienced and aspiring product managers, that I would recommend. And all the links you can find below in the description. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and feel free to subscribe to Lilia in IT, and see you later. Bye.